Basmati represents the absolute pinnacle of the indica subspecies, which is long-grained and unsticky. Treating this highly specialized grain as interchangeable with any other variety fundamentally ruins dishes. Rice provides more than 50% of the total calories consumed by the global population, yet we routinely cook it blind. To achieve a better culinary outcome, you must understand the specific starch ratio inside Asian rice, scientifically named Oryza sativa, which encompasses over 40,000 varieties. Basmati dominates the culinary landscape because its starch matrix is packed with amylose. This high-amylose structure means the grains separate perfectly under heat. This structural behavior creates the effortlessly fluffy pilafs prized across the globe. Aromatic rice varieties, including Basmati and Jasmine, are widely known for their distinct fragrance and remarkably fluffy texture. This remarkably fluffy texture elevates an entire meal.
Arborio is a celebrated Italian short-grain variety that demands an entirely different culinary approach. Short-grain, high-starch varieties such as Sushi Rice and Arborio are specifically suited for sticky or creamy recipes. Look directly at the Basmati versus Arborio. Where indica grains stay intact, Arborio aggressively releases its dense starch to form a thick, creamy emulsion. This physical transformation is the mandatory foundation for authentic risotto. Handling this grain requires breaking standard kitchen habits. The culinary consensus is strict on this front. Whereas many types of rice require rinsing before being cooked, Arborio is an exception. Rinsing would remove the starchy coating that creates the creamy texture when cooked. A microscopic view would reveal the exact surface compound that dissolves into the broth. You are not just cooking a seed, you are extracting a natural thickening agent.
Jasmine operates as Thailand's aromatic staple, striking a brilliant balance between structure and adhesion. Aromatic rice varieties, including Basmati and Jasmine, are widely known for their distinct fragrance and remarkably fluffy texture. However, the starch ratio within Jasmine makes it slightly stickier than its long-grain cousins, dictates its behavior in the pan. When steamed, the grains cling to one another just enough to be easily gathered by chopsticks, without degrading into a homogeneous paste. This highly specific texture makes it the superior choice for soaking up thin, vibrant curries. The slight stickiness traps liquid against the grain rather than letting it pool at the bottom of the bowl. Sushi rice is the undisputed masterclass of the japonica subspecies, which is short-grained and glutinous. This variety is engineered by nature for maximum stickiness. Short-grain, high-starch varieties, such as Sushi Rice and Arborio, are specifically suited for sticky or creamy recipes because they perfectly hold their shape once molded. Grain interlocking shows how the high-starch interior physically cements the grains together. This is not a flaw. This extreme adhesion is what allows a meticulously formed mound of rice to support a slice of fish without crumbling. Achieving superior sushi requires exploiting this precise scientific mechanism. A chef depends on the japonica starch matrix to deliver structural integrity disguised as a soft, yielding bite.
Paw San Hmwe is Myanmar's hidden gem and a marvel of physical transformation. Aromatic rice varieties, including Basmati and Paw San Hmwe, are widely known for their fragrance and fluffy texture. But its true superiority lies in its expansion mechanics. When subjected to heat and water, a single grain of Paw San Hmwe expands up to 3 times its original length. Paw San Hmwe reveals the dramatic visual shift from a raw, compact seed to an exceptionally elongated cooked grain. This massive volumetric expansion yields an incredibly light, airy mouthfeel that absorbs surrounding flavors with unmatched efficiency. It proves that seeking out hyper-regional varieties leads to dramatically better textural outcomes on the plate.
African rice demands a departure from the massive Asian rice family tree entirely. African rice belongs to the distinct species Oryza glaberrima. This is a totally parallel line of agricultural evolution. While Asian rice dominates the global market, African rice is heavily prized for a uniquely robust and deeply earthy flavor profile. Oryza showcase a thicker, more resilient exterior. This structure survives intense, sustained cooking methods that would completely disintegrate more delicate Asian varieties. Utilizing African rice in heavy stews or aggressive braises represents a fundamentally better pairing of ingredient to technique. Its evolutionary hardiness translates directly into culinary resilience.
Wild rice operates as the great culinary imposter. It is not actually rice at all. Wild rice is technically a grass seed belonging to the genus Zizania, recognized for its chewy texture and earthy flavor. Despite the misleading nomenclature, it offers a massive upgrade to standard grain bowls, separates it completely from both Oryza sativa and Oryza glaberrima. The structure of the Zizania seed requires a prolonged cooking time, eventually splitting open to reveal a pale interior against a dark, rigid sheath. This extreme textural contrast provides a satisfying resistance. Its robust flavor cuts through heavy, rich broths. Substituting standard grains with this aquatic grass seed instantly elevates the complexity and mouthfeel of autumnal dishes. Black rice, historically referred to as the forbidden rice, trades standard starchiness for immense nutritional superiority. Whole grain rice varieties, such as brown and black rice, naturally contain more fiber and antioxidants than white rice. To understand its structural advantage, consider the baseline definition of processing. Brown rice is whole grain with only the inedible hull of the seed removed, while white rice additionally has the bran and germ removed through the process of milling. Black rice retains this vital bran layer. Because the bran is completely intact, the grain delivers this significant biological upgrade. The black rice versus white rice visualizes this dramatic nutritional gulf. The intact bran also forces a firmer popping texture upon chewing, delivering both a sensory and biological upgrade.
Sake rice is an agricultural marvel grown exclusively for the singular purpose of brewing. This is not an ingredient meant for the dinner plate. At least 9 major rice cultivars are grown exclusively for the production of sake, functioning as finely tuned biological factories. Elite cultivars like Yamada Nishiki are engineered for absolute liquid perfection. Starch core highlights the shimpaku, or the opaque white heart of the grain. This concentrated pocket of pure starch is surrounded by proteins and fats that brewers meticulously polish away. By isolating the starch core, brewers achieve a wildly clean, flawless fermentation. This targeted cultivation proves that true culinary superiority often requires breeding an ingredient to do exactly one thing flawlessly. The ST24 and ST25 varieties stand as the modern champions of agricultural design. Engineer Ho Kwang Kua developed the ST24 and ST25 varieties. These are not ancient heirlooms. They are modern, scientifically optimized grains designed to push the boundaries of flavor and texture. This relentless pursuit of quality was globally recognized when the ST24 and ST25 varieties won the title of World's Best Rice at international competitions in 2019 and 2023. ST24 and ST25 varieties display the visual perfection achieved through decades of selective breeding. Better food always demands highly specific choices. Understanding the exact starch ratios and genetic lineages behind these grains turns a basic,
overlooked pantry staple into an instrument of absolute culinary precision.